This is exactly how I was able to turn on my JVC TV without a remote. So the easiest way to do so is to find the power button on your JVC TV. For me, it's actually underneath the logo here, so I'm just gonna click on, it's gonna be somewhere in the middle here for you, and you can see it turns on even without a remote. And by the way, for some of you, the power button is going to be either here or on the other side, of course. So it could be somewhere in here, just so you know. I'm just gonna stabilize the camera so you can see. It can sometimes be somewhere here as well, just so you know. But funny enough, for me it was in like just underneath the logo, and I think that's quite common. And then you will be able to turn it on without using any kind of remote. You can also use it, you can also turn it on by your mobile if you have connected your TV to Google Home before, just so you know. So you have to go to the Google Home app, and then you can also use your mobile phone as a remote, basically. But yeah, this is how to actually turn it on without a remote the easiest way.